Hello everyone, this is Shreya Baronia Khandra, and today I'm going to be talking about something that I've been thinking about a lot and I finally got some clarity. Ever since I understood life while I was growing up, I read a lot of self help books, I watched interviews of entrepreneurs and all these writers and intellectuals. And there was this one line they kept on repeating. This line was, "You are just one decision away from a totally different life." I read it in books, I listened to it in podcasts and in videos, but I never really understood the meaning of this life. And I thought it was like the cliched self help line, and it does not mean anything. And for over a decade, I'd totally forgotten about it. And recently, I think few months ago, I kind of understood the meaning of this life. And ever since that, I am a completely new person. Before I understood the depth of that line, I did not know how much power I had. And if I hadn't understood the meaning of that line, I wouldn't be here recording this video for you. So let me take back to you in 2023. In April 2023, I got married to my best friend, and the first year of our wedding, everything was just happening at 2x speed. I went on a long honeymoon. I was trying to adapt into my new life and build connections with my new family members and figuring out where I would want to move with my husband. And all this time, I had this I had this desire to work out because I really want to be healthy, and because so many things were happening in my life, I was not able to give myself the time. I wanted to join gym, but I couldn't because every other day we were going somewhere. We had some other plans, and during that phase, I actually put my health on the back seat of my life, and it kept on going. So then we moved to Gurgaon, and you won't believe it, the society that we were living in, we had a fully equipped gym with a trainer, and we did not have to pay any fees for the gym or the trainer. We just had to take a lift, go 10 floors down, and work out. And I couldn't even do that. I was so lazy, and I don't know, I was just a totally different person. I did not put my health my first priority. I did not think about it that much. And I was in a totally different headspace during that time. We were planning about moving to Jamaica, and so many things were happening, the paperwork, getting all the visas, and whatnot. And I kept on procrastinating. I told myself, okay, you're gonna start working out when you move to Jamaica. You're gonna start working out when this happened, that happened. Long story short, I moved to Jamaica last year, January, and we stayed in a hotel for a month as we searched for a home and tried to assemble our life in the new country. And so many things were happening, and I had great excuse. I mean, I make amazing excuses. I told myself, okay, I'm gonna start working out when we find our own house, when I eat home cooked food, and when I am settled. And then in February, we moved to this beautiful place, and I did not work out. I just kept on procrastinating. And this went on for a few more days until recently, when I was doing my year-end review and I saw my goal list, the goal list I had set for myself for 2024. And the top thing on that list was working out every day. That was my top goal for 2024, and I had not made any attempt to achieve it because I was not that serious. I never really prioritized working out or exercising. Looking at that looking at that list made me felt like a failure. I mean, I was so sad. I was really not able to comprehend why I wasn't able to do what I've been dying to do. I couldn't blame anyone anymore. I did not have any excuse anymore. It was all on me because I had everything. I was living well settled. I had no excuse. And that feeling of failure, when you have nothing else to blame but yourself, that made me look in the mirror and realize that this is not the person I am. This was not me. And then during that whole processing of that failure and wasting my year, I just made a decision that I am someone who takes care of her body. I just decided at that moment that I'm not going to be the same person. And trust me, ever since that moment, I have not touched alcohol. I went sober. I stopped drinking Coke. I stopped even drinking wine. Not even one glass. I was eating healthy and I started working out. Oh my god. I am so proud of myself just because I made that decision. And that's not just about my health. This principle and this line also fits into every area of your life. So when I moved to Jamaica, I really wanted to talk about all my experiences, all my lessons, because I spent all these years learning and improving myself. I am not the same person I was last year, or 2 years ago, or 3 years ago. I am not that Shreya. This is a new version of me. And I wanted to record and share my journey, my transformation, but I just couldn't do it. I've been recording videos, not that I'm not. I've been writing, I've been creating my drawings, and I'm posting content, but I wanted to talk to the camera. That's what I wanted to do because the real connection is made when I'm talking to the camera, when I'm talking to you, not when you're reading what I've written. No, the real connection is when you look at me, you hear my voice, you see my emphasis on certain words, you build that connection, you know. And I recorded a couple of videos and I could not publish it. I don't know what I was afraid of. I just couldn't publish it, and I kept trying. I kept recording B rolls because it's always easy, and I started with creating short form content. And I just did not feel right. And then I made a decision again. I thought to myself, I told myself, Shreya, you are the person who uploads every day. You are the person who is not afraid to share what you truly feel. You are the person who is not afraid to talk to the camera. And trust me, the moment I decided to become this person who is comfortable talking to the camera, sharing my life, I felt so free. Now there was nothing holding me back. That decision made me record this video, and I'm so excited, and I think this is going to be up in 24 hours because I have made the decision to put it out. And whenever you tell yourself that you are not ready, it is not you, it is your ego. Whenever you tell yourself that you need more practice before publishing your work or before talking in front of the camera, that is perfection. And when you tell yourself that, okay, I don't have a good background, I don't have a good hair day, that is your people pleasing attitude. And all these reasons that you give yourself to not start, like I had been, they are bullshit reasons. They are excuses. If you decide that you want to be that person, then you can be that person. And I am so grateful that I understood the depth of that one line that stayed with me since I was 12. And I finally, at 31, understood the meaning of that sentence has made me free. It has saved me hundreds of hours of rumination and questioning myself. I am more free, and I know if I decide to do something, I will do it, and I will try everything in my hand to ensure that I get to where I want to. But that only happens when I decide. So, what decision are you gonna make today? Please tell me in the comments, and I'm so excited to be back.